Let's just now listen to Rahul Srivastava's interview with Akhilesh Yadav, the man who could have been the next chief minister, but it's going to be his father instead.
A huge crowd awaits you, Akhilesh, outside. And this crowd perhaps has also voted for your energy, the kind of hard work you have put in, and perhaps a new dimension you have given to the Samajwadi Party, which was supposed to be a rural party, would not talk about a lot of things. Do you think somewhere you take credit for, along with your father, of course, who is an experienced campaigner, that perhaps you have been able to achieve something which was seemingly difficult 5 years ago?
नहीं, देखिए जो आज परिणाम दिखाई दे रहे हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं पूरी समाजवादी पार्टी की वजह से है। पूरे पार्टी ने मिलकर के चुनाव लड़ा और मिलकर के संघर्ष किया। मैं समझता हूँ जो परिणाम भी आएगा तो उसकी पूरा का पूरा समाजवादी पार्टी कार्यकर्ता नेताओं की वजह से आया। और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा जनता का जिन्होंने समाजवादी पार्टी पर भरोसा किया और एक उम्मीद उन्होंने की है समाजवादी पार्टी से कि सत्ता में अगर आएंगे तो वो उनके लिए काम करेंगे, खुशहाली के रास्ते पर ले जाएंगे। मैं समझता हूँ इस मौके पर सबसे ज़्यादा जनता का धन्यवाद जिन्होंने इतने दलों में समाजवादी पार्टी पर भरोसा किया।
One important thing, why do you think Mayawati, who had a huge mandate in 2007, lost this time?
इसलिए क्योंकि वो जो परफॉर्म करना चाहिए था उन्हें वो परफॉर्म किए नहीं और वो पूरी पार्टी इस बात पे लग गई कि मुख्यमंत्री का इतिहास कैसे बने। जो हजारों करोड़ था जो बर्बाद हुआ है पत्थर मूर्तियों पे, उसी का इस्तेमाल अगर हो जाता ठीक से तो मैं समझता हूँ उत्तर प्रदेश को लाभ होता, उत्तर प्रदेश खुशहाली के रास्ते पे जाता।
Is it also that she was away from the people, MLAs could not meet her, ministers could not meet her?
कोई मिनिस्टर विधायक नहीं मिल पाया, उसका परिणाम दिखाई दे रहा। अब जो बात गई उसके बारे में चर्चा नहीं करनी है, लेकिन हमें भरोसा, मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा जनता का कि उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने कहीं ना कहीं समाजवादी पार्टी पर भरोसा किया है। ये सबसे बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण बात है।
All across the state, I see that Samajwadi Party has been voted over all across. It's perhaps good candidate selection also, but is it also that people have moved away from set patterns of caste and other things in voting for a party to put it to power?
देखिए ये जो परिणाम दिखाई दे रहा है तभी परिणाम आया है कि हर वर्ग के लोगों का समर्थन मिला है और ये पूरे ये उत्तर प्रदेश में इस तरह की हर जगह समाजवादी पार्टी का जीत का मतलब है कि आज हर वर्ग के लोगों ने भरोसा किया है समाजवादी पार्टी पे। हर जात धर्म से ऊपर उठ करके लोगों ने मतदान किया है। तो ये एक अच्छा परिणाम है, खुशी की बात है कि उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने ये पूरे देश को बताया है कि जात धर्म से ऊपर उठ करके भी मतदान किया जाता है और समाजवादी पार्टी पर भरोसा किया। इसके लिए मैं बहुत धन्यवाद दूंगा।
Rahul Gandhi, what happened to his party?
देखिए अब जो
What thing he should do to improve his party?
अब इस समय मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता, इस समय इतना ही कहूंगा।
What did he go wrong?
नहीं, अब इस समय तो मैं केवल अपनी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता नेताओं को धन्यवाद दूंगा।
One thing, will you do business with Congress? Is it a possibility that to
It's
gain?
too early to say anything about it.
But is it a possibility? Will you will you
don't-
promise?
I mean,
Will you talk to other smaller parties?
It all depends what number we get.
No. Will you still talk to other parties to have a larger, better majority to give stability?
See, it's too early to say anything about it.
Do you think that the government, Congress, may try to impose president's rule if the numbers are not clear?
That's what they've been saying it.
Will you oppose it?
And definitely we're going to oppose that.
Because the parliament session is beginning and the ratification of the governor's rule has to be done in case it is there. Will you oppose it?
There's a procedure for that. They have to go through that procedure.
Do you think that there might be still an attempt to stop the Samajwadi Party by the Congress?
I doubt about it. They'll go for president's rule.
And do you think that in future it will be better if you perhaps your image, perhaps if Akhilesh Yadav becomes chief minister and gives a new dimension to the state?
I'm not in the race of that post. Only we all want Netaji should become the chief minister of the state.
We wish you luck, Akhilesh Yadav. Thank you very much.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now. ndtvprofit.com/apps.